Hello, I've got in front of me a box drive camper van from Knaus on an MAN basis. This thing here is going to cost €103,000. 6-meter camper van. And let's have a look at it. Now, what is interesting here? A number of features. Right, first of all, you've got this bed here which can go up and down, and that will give you more space in the garage. Should you have a particularly large hippopotamus you're carrying around, wants a bit more space, then that would probably have to put the bed up a bit. We've got storage around the back. There's a sort of wardrobe in here. I'll show you this. Storage up there, and storage also at the back. There is a skylight. This system here of showers in the center of the vehicle means that it looks a bit cumbersome, but it does give you more space. Now, it was quite fashionable, if I can use that word, a few years ago, but I don't see many of them these days. And if I'll close myself, I'm trying to close this completely, but it doesn't want to go. I don't like using force on anything, and bring this thing here around. But anyway, so that's sort of your shower unit like this. That of course would be closed, just only it doesn't want to work properly. And there's your toilet. So I think, as a way of gaining more space in the van, because let's face it, you probably, if you're having a shower, then you're probably not needing a corridor. Now, if there's two of you, of course, it does mean to say that the bed is blocked. I've heard people say it's a safety hazard. I can't agree with that one at all. But okay, admittedly, if something should happen, you have to get the vehicle quickly in the back, then I suppose it could be a bit awkward. They'd have to open the back doors in that case. Anyway, having sort of demonstrated that, there's the sink, and here we have two burners, and here we have another wardrobe. The first wardrobe being that bar I showed you. You've got here your electric where you can put things into. So USB, there you have 12 volt, there you have shore power, there you have your light switches all in one place, and here are your drawers for your kitchen. Now, it also comes with this slide out bed up here, which in my opinion isn't such a bad idea because it saves lots of space. Mind you, 4 people in a vehicle this size is quite a lot. This will come down, like, it slides across to come over here, and above it, well, it isn't really fair to show from me, but there's a reasonable amount of space then above it. Having said that, you know, I think I wouldn't want to spend 102,000 on a camper van, which is then trying to sleep 4 people. I think I would go for a motorhome. That's my opinion. Anyway, here we've got the fridge. Fridge will cleverly open in 2 directions. There you go. And we've got this table here, and this is a table without, I think, without a leg on it, and that means to say it can't take as much weight as one that has got a leg, but it might be easy to get your legs under it if the table itself doesn't have a leg. Let's go around to the back now and have a look at that. And so seats, windows, MAN base, I think I said that. And this is I think the clever bit here. You've got all this potential area for use. A friend of mine got one from Robeta, and he made a lounge out of the bit here at the back. There's your water tank, a fresh water tank. So this will go up. It's only to the side, but this will move up and down according to your requirements. And there's a ladder to get up into bed. I think personally this type of money, I would expect this to be insulated. It's fair enough for these cheap things from clever vans not being insulated. That's one thing, but this should be insulated in my opinion. There's also a larger van here, which is on the MAN basis, BoxDrive 680 ME, and so this one here, you're looking at a price of 102,000, 103,000, so it's more or less the same thing. And this is 684 centimeters long, and a standing height is 192 centimeters. So let's have a look at this one. So this one doesn't come with the front bed. You see the bed. This one, the bed's going up like this. Actually, no, it just occurred to me like this. Rather than put fixed cabinets, wouldn't it be easy if you actually put these soft bags and something like this, which could be removed to make more space for the bed? There you are. If I were doing it, that's what I would want. In this case, you've got a more traditional washroom in here. Also, the bed here is longer. Other than that, very similar in size. Inside, hey, I'll give you a quick walk around the stand as well while I'm here. Obviously, by the time this goes up, I'll have left, but if you see anything you fancy, then you might want to actually mention it. Now, viewers to my channel will know that I don't actually have a very good opinion of Knaus as a manufacturer, so I would suggest you have a look at other manufacturers. If you want something on the MAN, then there's less choice, and if you want this layout, then I just can't think of anything. I mean, there are various companies which produce the lift at the back, that you've got the bed in various positions, but this layout with that central washroom is, I think, unique. Now, theoretically, I think this is electrically supported. Let's see. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So that worked. So I've tried 4 today so far, and 2 of them have now worked. So you can see that the roof has been added to it, and which gives it that distinctive shape. Affinity uses a very similar sort of a roof, although it doesn't have this layout, and I mean, Affinity vans are much better built than Knaus. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15 hours, and this is the largest selection of motorhomes and camper vans on YouTube, so if you're interested, then you might want to subscribe. All the best from me in Stuttgart. Thanks for watching.